'cause I knew it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to call my name and show you that I'd win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you. You lied to me. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried. Return of the man. Return of the man. Come on. Return of the man. Oh my God. You know that I'll be back. Here I am. Return of the man. Once again. Return of the man. Top of the world. Return of the man. Watch my flow. You know that I'll be back. Here I go. So I'm back up in the game, running things to keep my swine, letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. 'Cause what you did, you know was wrong, and all the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. You lied to me, 'cause she said she'd never turn on me. You lied to me, but you did, but you did. You lied to me. All this pain you said I'd never feel. You lied to me. But I do, do. Return of the man. Yeah. Return of the man. Come on. Return of the man. Oh my God. You know that I'll be back. Here I am. Return of the man. Once again. Return of the man. Top of the world. Return of the man. Watch my flow. You know that I'll be back. Don't you know?
Is that a joint?
Rock on gesture.
Is that a joint?
That boy is good.
Happy Monday, traders. Welcome to episode 367 of the show. Thanks, y'all. Okay, getting through another Monday. Everyone hates Mondays, right? But it's almost dead and gone, right? We only have less than an hour till that daily candle closes. The weekly candle closed just 24 hours ago, 23 hours ago or something, right? But hey, man, good news on XRP to USD and BTC. Right, XRP to BTC. They both had movement, right, based on the breaking news, you know, of getting added to Coinbase Pro, whatever. That's wonderful, man. Great stuff, dude. Look, they're a global banking solution that have a lot of partnerships, and they've earned more than most in the crypto world. Whether you're a cynic or not, great. All right. Their team have good hearts. But you get it, right? That's great, man. That's great. So news can drive the markets. News can drive assets, you know, where others like Bitcoin, you know, Bitcoin moved up. So it helped a little bit, right? This small little move to the upside helped XRP go up a little bit more. right? But you know, whatever. We kind of even discussed yesterday. Oh, we don't even know, man, what kind of pattern we have. We have to wait for more pattern development. Okay, well, we had a nice move up. I hit a height of 38.57 on Bitcoin, and just sitting there. So maybe we've created another anchor point. Okay, and what I want to talk about is really just this. Let me show you real quick. 1 and 2 on the bottom, then just 1 and 2 on the top. It looks like we're just really 1 on the top. So is that a bear pole bear flag? Kind of looks like it, doesn't it? The 60 minutes. Oh boy. I mean, you tell me. What is it, dude? What is it that we're looking at here? We have a sloping consolidation. Ah, yes, yes. All right. So there you go, man. On the 60 minute, even it's more so of a wedge, right? Because anchor point 1 and then 2 here. It's not exactly parallel. It's slightly converging into this next one if we ran it far enough over. So either way, it looks to me like a little form of bearish consolidation. We'll see, but why do we stall here? Well, there was critical upsloping support for our expected channel, and we were extremely oversold, and we showed a little divergence, just a little bit, for running to the upside a little bit more, but not even close to threatening our previous highs. All right, so let's take a look now. Have we established that swing high to swing low yet? Man, I gotta get rid of all this. There's no point having it anymore. So whatever. I mean, y'all get it, right? Rising wedge, education. We are kings. Yeah, we're kings, dude. All right, hold on. But we gotta keep it clean, just for the sake of everyone's mental health, right? You know, you don't freak people out too much. See, like this stuff, dude. Man, it's like visibility. It's like an unending thing, dude. All right, so this goes on the 4 hour only. Okay, so does this one. You have to like manually do this, okay? It sucks. But you gotta be organized, okay? Gotta be organized. Hey, Jonathan Krausman. Dude, thank you, dude. Really appreciate the 420 before I even cue my mic, man. Kangs, dude. Let's rock it. Let's roll it. I'm trying to think of something that would rhyme, dude. I don't know. Something about XRP. This just isn't working for me, okay? Sorry, dude. Anyway, okay, impulse down. Let's fib it. That's what we were doing. Gosh. Okay, high point to low point. Okay, 23% retrace. We've made our shallow retrace. Therefore, we are pretty confident to believe that the swing low is in. So we can fib, right? So how far will we go, man? How far will we go? We go 38.97. That is your first common retrace. It's more moderate, but we are hitting shallow retrace levels. And you're below the 250 on the 60 minute, okay? So that's it really right now. Still want more. Give me more. Give me more data, but at this point it does look kind of flaggy, doesn't it? Bearish flag stuff, okay? At the bottom of a channel. But something interesting. Go to the 4 hour real quick. Now I gotta make sure this is still showing up. See, this will not. I can't remember, man, how it works. Okay, it's still there. Good, good. Okay, so the interesting thing I think we should all take from this is we zoom out, we can see the downsloping structure that we cracked out of. We broke out of, remember, and we were always like up here, hey man, what we want to see, we want to see a retrace back to a back test of the old area that was once a critical resistance and use it as support. Maybe, just maybe this is what we're getting. Dude, maybe this is it. So a couple contradicting variables. One being the impulse down and the upsloping consolidation, and the positive, the good thing, is the back test that we're still outside of this trend line on the upside. That's good, right? So still nebulous, man. Still nebulous. Okay, so it's great that we pivoted here. It's great to see we're still trying to lose that negative momentum, even though we still have tons of it, man. And we're, you know, right now 44 on the RSI, relatively neutral. Okay, So anyway, let's go to XRP. I know, hey, XRP is still number 3. So what we're doing here is extremely out of order. Going to XRP before Ethereum here, but I'm sure all the Ethereum faithful Kappa will they'll be okay with it. There's so many of them, right? Is it, dude? Okay, man. Okay. All right, just try to clean it up a little bit. I know that's funny, right? But all of that happened, right? We had the double top. We sold off and pivoted 1, 2, 3, right? Held just like Bitcoin did. It's a little upsloping channel, right? We held it, pivoted, and ran on news, and the news was only able to give us a lower high than our previous highs. That's not, I mean, that's like, ugh, like, really? That's it, dude? Going Coinbase, man? Hey, maybe we'll get a nice run. You know, something I've noticed about these coins that get listed or announced to get listed on Coinbase, what will happen is they'll go, like, you know, crazy. I was going to say bat-s crazy, like bat, no pun intended. But they'll all go crazy up until that day of getting actually listed, and then the dumping happens, right? So they'll lead up to the listing. They're good, great runs, and then tankage. All right. So, what I'm interested to see is, will we, since we're making higher lows, will we somehow, some way, make it back up to 35.4 cents, the area we touched, we sun-kissed before selling off? Will we hit that again? Will we hit the 50% retrace, the 62% retrace, 37.5 cents, 39.7 cents? Will we hit that from the high to low? That's still going on. All right, some sort of trade setup on the following wedge still happening, man. It's still literally going on right now. So, see if the most reasonable, the targets that you would really want to see that are up here we have not touched yet. See if we get there. Gonna take time, but a wonderful pivot, wonderful break at the upside. Congratulations on XRP. I'm sure a lot of XRP faithful love the news. That's great, man. That's great. Stuff like that has to happen. Another news. Hey, man, did you know the NASDAQ, they're putting up signs that show the Bitcoin and Ethereum price? Literally, that's all they're doing. I saw some like clickbait articles, and I'm like reading. I'm like, you're just telling me that they're literally just putting up a graphical sign that shows their price. Wow. Do we really need to go it deep into analysis of this? Thank you for the news. All right. So that's cool, man. Cool stuff. Okay. Also, more stuff on the agenda. So King Logan had a wonderful idea, and we're going to do this. Okay. And we only have 5. No, dude, we only have 3 days because of, what's it called? The leap year. Stupid leap year, man. We are doing something from now on called the meme of the month. Okay? Hold on. Okay. That's cool. That's real cool, King Logan. Okay, man. Alright, so what we're going to do. We are creating a channel in our Discord. That's where you're going to post your candidate. But it's going to take some ingenuity. It's going to take some creativity. And definitely going to take some attention to this stream. Because the meme, you know, we manufacture memes like hotcakes here, dude. Okay? They come out thin air. Benito, right? Stone Man stacking stones. Logan Kang, the 8 balls, whatever, dude. I mean, I can look at Billy and just be like, oh, James the water cooler, or some other random thing, right? A can of tomatoes, okay? I mean, anything, dude. All right, so what you want to do on this, the criteria of the meme competition every month is it needs to pertain to this show. It needs to pertain to technical analysis, right? I mean, that's what we got going for us, technical analysis. That's our thing. That's our niche, right? So something to do with a crash or a pump or some news that affected something on an asset, right? Something maybe to do with rising wedges, falling wedges, broadening bottoms, whatever, patterns, harmonics, dude, whatever. Just think of something and merge it together, okay? Harmonics with XRP, or harmonics of Bitcoin, or what, I don't know, dude. Like, this is completely up to y'all. It's got to be, we want it to be hilarious. The funnier the better. And if you win, whatever it pertains, and we want to make sure it has something to do with maybe an asset like Batcoin or, you know, ZRX or Tron Connect or anything, dude. Okay, any crypto or asset. It could be Tesla, Nvidia, whatever. If it wins, we're going to pick the winner, we're going to vote on it, and then we're going to have it actually in the variation. So if someone tips a particular amount, a pretty common amount, that meme's going to be showing up all month, okay? And what we might do is after that, if it's a real common number, we might start changing it to where all, like, you're just going to keep, the winners get one forever. They get their own, like, little variation alert box forever. So if they ever, you know, they're a winner from like 3 months ago, 6 months ago, they can tip a certain amount and their meme shows up on screen. Memes of old become new again. All right, so that's kind of how we're going to do it. Okay, so if you're not part of the Discord, you got to be part of the Discord to do this. But this is a new addition to our culture, and it's going to be freaking hilarious, man, okay? So good luck, memes, memers. See what you got. All right, let's take a look at chat. Holy crap, dude. Bob Phil, what's up, man? It's starting, dude. It's a vague pronoun. You've already triggered me. Dude, literally the first comment ever of today was it's. Bob Phil. Look what you've done, dude. Okay. What's up, XRP Mafia, Miss Cantomo, Camp Tomatoes, Mr. Pace, XRP, man. What's up, Subi Hart, Peter Couchman, Stuart H. Stuart H, you can also include Urban Meyer in your meme if you want, okay? So, Jonathan Krause. Thanks again, dude, for 420. Jurgen. To pivot at 39-ish, then down. I don't know, man. You're thinking probably if we're in this channel, respecting the down, I mean, look, the upsloping support and upsloping resistance, you're looking probably around like 36 cents, 36.5 cents maybe if we're to get there, but it's a big if, man. I don't know. Great news is we ran up and we're holding above the heart line. Remember the heart line was a resistance. Maybe we can use that support and run again a little later, right? Asia's starting to wake up. Yeah, maybe 36.5. See how that goes. So, Mr. Crypto, Nokia. Yeah, XRP didn't quite do as you would have thought from a Coinbase effect. Yeah, I agree, man, but let's see how it lasts through time. Okay. And I saw people talking in general in Discord about, like, there was like a pump on, nothing else was pumping on the market except XRP 2 hours before the announcement, right? Insiders, they're always insiders, dude. Don't be naive, dude. What's up, Coach K? Are we screwed? Yeah, upsloping retrace, yeah. Well, that's what we're doing, dude. That's what we're doing. What's up, Victor P? Tim Parsons, man. Stygian, hello, coming in. My Nordic brother, man. What's up, Mad Carl? What's up, Might? K-Puff? K-Puff saying that XRP is decentralized oil. Oh, yeah? Is that it, man? What about Jesus Coin? Decentralized Jesus. What about Titty Coin? Decentralized boobs. Okay, man. You can say it all you want, man. Whatever. What's up, Hainsey, dude? Hey, Bearable Guy says XRP to 58.9 cents. Dude, that's like, you know, honestly, 58.9 cents is like really good of a number. I think Jeff would love that because it's almost 59, but it's still 58, but it has 9 in it. So our numbers, 58 and 59, kangs. I didn't even think about that. What's up, Claudio? Claude.io. You know, there's a character in Dota named I.O. Okay. Support class. What's up, Louis Marriott? Texting and driving, be careful, dude. Don't be a fool, man. What's up, Lando Calrissian, dude? Thanks, man. What's up, Christopher Orton? Tetra Dragon? Sorry, y'all. Just getting through chat, man. We talked a little, you know, we went into it a little deeper at the beginning. Okay. Interesting. I don't know if we ever looked at that.
My Gia boosts. Can you check out Loom/BTC Plaza?
Hey, good to chat, man. Thanks for the 690. Hey, go, dude. Yeah, dude. Yeah, we'll take a look, man. What's happening? Thanks to sexual contribution, man. Wonderful, dude. Wonderful. Okay. Let me check this real quick. Interesting. It's been a minute since we looked at it. Yeah, I can definitely check it out again, man. No problem. Ugh. Very interesting, man. Just sideways, dude. What's up, Jack Black, dude? Zipper, hello. Yes, Scruffy. What about Scruffy, man? Nah, I'm a little scruffy. I'm a scruffy nerf herder. Dude, Crypto 101. Team Crypto 101, man. Long time no see, dude. Yeah, dude, I shaved, man. I did shave, dude. Okay. Where did PewDiePie go, King Logan? I don't know, man. It just makes me look stupid, I guess. Like, it's not, wasn't doing anything. It's not like PewDiePie is gonna, like, ever know we exist. So what's the point, dude? All right. Holy crap, man. Asian market's fixing to wake up. Oh, my God. All right, well, if we were to run again, 36.5 cents, I believe is probably your target. Thanks, Sam Easy, dude. What's up, RJ? What's up, Discour? 91, man. Dumb Broad, hello. How do you deal with these moments where there's not much pattern development but still a chance to make money? You missed out on so many trades this morning, all day yesterday. I don't know, man. Like, there was that 60-minute bullish divergence a little bit on Bitcoin. But, I mean, like, dude, you went from, like, 37, 33. I mean, you went up $100, right? Swing trading, that's not a very large margin, right? You're looking for the... I mean, dude, think about it, man. We started at 33.43 and ended at, like, 41.17 or something like that, dude. I mean, we're looking for the moves like that, kind of like the waves, right? The impulses, right before those big impulses begin, the old waves are ending. We notice the old waves are ending with that bullish divergence, right? Getting ready to run again. Yeah, it was pumping before the news, exactly. XRP was, certainly. What's up, 9-foot couch? We have multiple couches in the house. What's up, Graham Dougherty, dude? Thanks for tuning in, man. George, you. Hey, Laszlo. All right, sorry. Nippon Cowboy, Origato, man. What's going on over there? Okay, holding it down in Asia for us. All right, in Japan. Okay, congrats on XRP. Maybe to set up an alert or something. I don't know. We start hitting 34.7 cents, which is literally where we stalled because critical resistance point, right? And you had a candle close and a candle close. 2 candle high closes in 1 wick. All right, sounds like a porno. Okay. Ethereum. Good, man. Okay, so actually unsli'd, so I only have my GPU is encoding, one GPU is encoding all my graphics on all my monitors, and then I have one 1080 Ti devoted specifically to OBS to encode it. So just testing that, seeing how that's going. Seems pretty smooth, not bad. There's a little difference, but there was an issue I think I was getting with SLI where sometimes it would get like stuck on something like my Stream Elements web browser, and like it would take away so many resources from everything else, and I wouldn't be able to fix it until I closed out OBS and Stream Elements, the website. So I don't know, man. Seems okay right now. That's what I was going for. A fusion thing is good, but like it's still having logistically to do multiple things as one versus, you know, 2 different things doing 2 different tasks, right? Anyway, so still looks like we're trying to pivot here. Okay, bullish inside bar led us to slightly higher prices, but you know, hey man, it seems like at this point, 50% retrace, right? From your low to your high in just a day or less than a day, we wiped out 50% of our gains. A 2+ week little move. All right. So we know that. Thank you, 50% retrace 136.30 for showing us that you're real. Okay. Dow's theory. We must commonly retrace 50% of the way after an impulse. So now let's fib again. Get rid of those that worked for us. Thank you. High to low. There you are. Going no higher than the 23% retrace. That's it. Pretty pathetic, man. Pretty shallow. Pretty scrubby. But at least we know, hey, man, probably a swing low for now. All right, so not getting much, dude. Still need more candles. The situation of the 4 hour, 60 minute. I don't know, man. Just waiting. Yeah, man. That looks like some sort of you know, ascending triangle or symmetrical triangle, right? I mean, best way we can put it, I guess. What do you do? This one, you just keep making adjustments? Jeez, man, come on. Right, you can start here or here. All right, this wick. I don't know, man. You start like this, ascending triangle. I mean, there's not much difference here because the measure moves are going to be about equal. But you can see like a high point, a low point, right? Whatever. Or you want, you can start with that wick, right? Whatever. If you do that wick, you get the same amount of touches. That's it, okay? So it could be argued that you have a definite price contraction, right? With the high point started at 145 and 134, right? And now it's getting tighter and tighter, right? 138, 145, right? In and in and in. So measure move there. All right, time to get rid, I guess, of this beautiful ascending triangle where we exceeded the measure move, but it was beautiful form of consolidation, right? Consolidation went on a lot longer than this consolidation we're getting, and this could still end up maturing more, right? So great stuff. Remember your ascending triangles, Kangs. Wonderful, dude. All right, so here we are, just skating along the bottom of the very large structure, the ascending broadening wedge. See, this is off a little bit too. What in the world? Not pinpoint accurate here. Actually, like, it's like that, man. Really, look, like 1 down here and 2 down here, and now like outside 1 back test, 2 back test. Not good, really. Jeez, man. Okay, so if this was truly it, and we were to break this, the upside downside, measure moves, make them accordingly, right? Both sides, neutral pattern. There you go. $11. Whoa, dude, $11, man. We're gonna be kings. There you go. Either way, it's an $11 swing. If the measure moves to be hit, you get 130, 129.78, or 155.33. So that's it, dude. That's it on Ethereum on the 60-minute. Just a form of price contraction, which may not be done at all. Okay. That's it, dude. Are we cool? I hope so, man. Sun's going down on my side of town, dude. What about y'all? Okay, dude. Yeah, so man, it's been a minute. So okay, it's been a minute on Loom crypto shipment. So just hold tight. I have to do some things. I have to look at this differently. Okay. Okay, man. So let's just figure it out. Okay. Yeah, we had that channel, we had the double bottom, right? Double bottom ran up, didn't quite hit the measure move, sold off. Okay, so whenever, clearly see support being held. I mean, straight up, dude. Straight up. you're actually showing like accumulation, because look, the double bottom was here, but look, every time we hit a bottom, there's some other invisible support right there, and that's just definitely more people own this thing than they owned before. So higher lows, 95% retrace, whatever. Let's see, there'd probably be resistance right there. If this thing ever broke out, man. Well, you clearly are just using, you got like the short-term range. If you broke it, you got, you know, nicer stuff up here. But yeah, it looks like maybe I mean, you were just making lower highs, right? The top. And it's like you broke out. Oh, nice one, dude. Nice one. Yeah, so you broke out, Momo shift, right? Some sort. It really just looks like this, man. You're just getting all this chop. Okay. So that's it. If you were to make the real retrace, I mean, there's a high here to a low you could look at, or you could look at this high up here. Probably makes more sense to look at the high up here. Okay. But a measure move of the pattern, despite anything you want to believe, man, measure move probably. Looking for 1674, right? So there you go, man. There's loom. Descending triangle of some sort, right? We broke out of it. And your best way to look at this measuring the 1674, whatever. Okay, and there's fibs too. I mean, like from the ultimate high up here, use the wick. I don't know, man. High to low. Where does that? Well, man, that all that measure move does is put you in the common retrace zone, right? We know the retrace zone between 382 and the 618. There's your loom, dudes. There's your loom. See what happens. Accumulation happened, dude. Keep your eye on that stuff, man. I'm telling you. You break down, you're just making higher lows than your previous low before. Huge volatility. It's a good sign. Higher lows are always good, man. I mean, I don't know, unless you, in this situation, in a flag or something like that, maybe not, right? But accumulation's normally a good sign. Okay. Anyway. Cooper Show, let me know that helps, man. Thanks. Get this more chat, and we'll keep on rolling, dude. Jeez, man, missed a lot. Maybe chug another craft IPA today. Oh my god, dude, please kill me, man. Kill me. So Greg White, dude. How are the dogs, Billy, man? Who let the dogs out, Billy, dude? The 589 dogs. What's up, MK, dude? Sorry, there's a lot of chat. I'm trying to get through all of it, okay? Bitcoin's at the 23.6% retrace. Yeah. Well, we exceeded a little bit. Yeah, it's a good question if we'll get to the 618. I don't know, man. It's good. I mean, we're in an uptrend right now, technically, based on the anchor points, the higher lows, and we pivoted off of it. So it's a very good question. Doom's getting wrecked, Billy, man. You know, whatever. Yeah, engine's up like 49% or something today. Partnership with Samsung confirmed, MB. That's crazy, dude. Crazy stuff, man. Isn't it a bear flag? I mean, it's whatever you want it to be, dude. All we did was just include the wicks. Everything's triangle. Hey, guess what? I mean, you can be conservative. Hey, dude, you want to use the most previous pull for the measurement? Because that's what a bear flag does. Bear pull, bear flag. Much larger measure move than just a triangle. So you're more conservative with the triangle on the move. So 2 bits, dude. Video alerts on Discord, what? YouTube doesn't send notifications. Does it not? I mean, it does some most of the time, right? And sometimes it fails like scrub, right? So I was up 130% on Binance. Jeez. I think it went up more than it was at. Okay. Peter, should you buy if you're up 130%? Dude, come on, man. Come on. Middle indicator, MACD. That's what you're asking. MACD histogram. 208%. Whatever, dude. 1000%. Bringing it back, dude. Bringing it back. Oh, nice, dude. Nice. Okay, dude. Let's just see what's going on, dude. Ah, man, I'm sore. Friggin' sore. Noticing that, man. Noticing the load time kind of a little slower. Not much. One thing I'm noticing on the SLI, the DSLI. Okay, man. Down sloping structure. You broke it. Things were going well, high to low, and we just couldn't hit 382 and sold off. And so when we sold off, we pivoted off the trend line that was once a critical resistance, now support. Not really getting anything else with that. Okay, not making higher highs, just running up. You probably at this point, minor. All right, there's probably like a 50% retrace, right? High to low. 50% retrace, testing the 20 and 50 moving average. Man, very well could sell off again, dude. Okay, failing.
Who let the dogs out, Mitch? Does Greenbow have a dog problem? WRAY-TV in Greenbow, Alabama. Could you please check out the NB? Get those 589 dogs back in. Fireworks in honor of Psy Girl.
Okay, man. Thanks, Baha Men. There are 3 Baha Men, and they had prophesized today, long ago, that XRP would in fact get listed to Coinbase, and they would let out 589 dogs, okay, or something. All right, I think that's how it goes. At least what I read in the history books. I don't know, dude. Thank you, man. Baha Men, 589. XRP fine. Okay, so structure, nah, not really any. I mean, you gotta go to 60 minute if you want to try to see something, but doesn't even look like any kind of structure. All right, man. If anything, it's like we had that, you know, I don't know, man. Channel just like Ripple, right? Never hit the bottom of it. Okay, or it's probably the anchor point's better. 1 and 2. Yeah, there you go. You had fallen out and you pivoted just like Bitcoin did, just like XLM did. Okay, you pivoted and you ran up. You're not making higher highs though, so don't crack below the subsloping support. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on the top, and 1 and 2 and now 3 on the bottom for the little structure we're developing on the way up. Okay, there's your XLM. We got 16 minutes left on the daily, on the 4 hour, 1 hour, and many others. Okay. He's just waking up soon, dude. Or they're really up now, I think, so. I mean, someone wants to see it. I guess we can. Dude. Here's your XRP to the euro pair. Don't think we got much difference, do we, man? Probably not. I mean, you got the long-term channel, right? We could always plot that, whatever. I know there's a short-term channel too. Let's see what we can do here, man. Yeah, dude. Fantastic. So, look, man. If you look at the short-term structure from the 79-cent pump, right? We ran 79 cents. Wait, actually, no. It was like 66.8 euro cents. Look, man. You know, you got anchor points on the top, on the bottom, and all in between. You got touch points. And so, like you had that falling wedge of some sort, right? You broke out of it, and you're still just like the US dollar, high to low, 382. So you hit the 382 perfectly, and you got this 60 minutes upslipping support and resistance, right? Just like that. It's perfect, man. So, let's see if we can get up there. Okay. What we could probably do is just look at this on the daily or whatever, man. This is really it, dude. This is the structure you're in. Okay, you got the down sloping structure. You got the horizontal line support that you've held, right? And that's it, dude. Okay, you're failing to break the prices lower than 24.4 euro cents, whatever. So, nice whipsaw. Okay, big move down, big move up on news. Huge volume came in, and you're still making lower highs than your previous highs. Come on, man. Come on. Maybe you're at the golden zone for the wedge, or there's any kind of retrace. It's between the 382 and the 618. So we can get up there before reversing to the downside, because the prevailing trend has been lower highs, lower lows until the double bottom. See if we can reverse it, turn it to the upside now. Let's sit on XRP to the euro. Whatever, dude. What's up with Loom? Michael Blast. Jeez, man. Really? Just rewind like 10 seconds. James Richard Jones says XLM next on Coinbase. Alright, we'll see, man. I don't know, man. I could see something like XLM that's gotten so destroyed, maybe destroyed for a reason, only to be pumped again to crazy levels because of that. I don't know, dude. Just tinfoil hat stuff, right? Okay, man. Sweet, dude. Interesting, man. Interesting. Someone, Wonderful Breaks asking, hey, can you look at RCN, Ripio, Credit Network? Sure, dude. Something interesting's happened here, dude. Look at this, man. Okay, dudes. Okay, look, man. All right. 1 and 2 and 3 on the top, and 1 and 2 on the bottom. We have broken, shifted some Momo, right? Have we not? The thing is, you just got this resistance. You could all, like, you have it like that, but you also have it like this, right? Where there's clearly some support zone down there, and you got big resistance up top, which we have not broken. I mean, you got the wicks too to boot, right? So if you're looking at some sort of range bound stuff, you hit it and you've sold off, and here you are at 553. Okay. So I don't know how this is gonna last, man. I mean, sure, just keep on going, dude. I mean, the move 30, you're up 40%. What do you want with this now, man? It's too late. It's too late, dude. I mean, look, you know, like, let's look back in hindsight. What was happening? Okay, man, we just kept hitting the same low. I mean, here's a low, and here's a technical lower low. So you had just a little bit of divergence on those, but not to the extent of what we're seeing. I don't know. Was there news? Was there something, some catalyst that has moved us up? What was it, man? Okay. So, I said, man, you got support and resistance. I mean, you also had like resistance all the way up, but you've smashed through it all, and you're just at the outer reaches of it. Okay, so we've seen other coins that look like this too, man, right? Other coins that look like this. So whatever, man, you can Wyckoff it, or you can equidistant it. Fibbing, I don't know, man. Like, you can fib it, I guess, from the major high to low. Dude, probably near a 23% retrace. That's it. And we've been there before. All right. Okay. It's possibly potentially a double bottom, man. Yeah, I mean, sure. Long way to go. It's potential. Neckline's insane, dude. Well, man, okay, dude. Okay. The bump and run worked. It worked. On Inge. Okay. I know this has been a topic at one point. And we talk about Momo shift, don't we? We talked about a potential ascending triangle. Alright. The bump. The bullish divergence. Yeah, look at this, man. This resistance area just smashed, and then the partnership with Samsung. Dude, look at this. Fib extensions and insane fib extensions, man. What? Oh my god, man. So yeah, we're up 105% right now. Beautiful thing to look at, a sight to behold. It is range bound, no mo. Any kind of measured move was destroyed, right? Measured move was putting you up here. Certainly was, yeah, 1884. So now, dude, you're at 1978 sats. We're up 1,000 sats. Jesus. You can barely even see it. Still lower highs though. It sucks, Bradford, right? Sub-Zero, dude. Sorry, just getting the chat. Almost done. Pivoted. Is that pivot? Yeah, it has pivoted. Yeah, past tense, right? It pivoted. And now we move up some, right? We moved up a little. It's all past tense. Looks like Turf Coin. Yeah, all in Turf Coin, dude. So Jimmy, Decentraland and Ripio working together. Hey, we knew Mana was maybe setting up for higher prices. Right? I remember last time I looked at Mana. Dude, so much pumpy dumpy though. Give me a break, man. Yeah, still not done anything yet though, right? It was like a wedge, we're out of it, higher lows, just not doing anything on Mana. So it looks like all that price action attention went to RCN or something, right? Meme of the day, engine coin. The little engine that could. Wow, dude, think about all the memes you could put into this. Every day is a potential meme for a certain S coin or altcoin, whatever. Okay. Dang, man. Thank y'all for the 100 likes so fast. Really appreciate that. I mean, you know, it was boom, fireworks for Cygirl. Thank y'all. And if you are, and I haven't said it, the cadence, if you're enjoying the live stream, if you're enjoying seeing the chart of Engine go up 200+% before selling off 100%, and now it's only up 113%, Hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you're happy about the XRP news. Like button, bell, sub, man. Come on, dude. We're making progress one day at a time. One day at a time. What's up, Sander Studios, man? Snowing all day. Miss Cantoma, man, on the West Coast, dude. Wrecked, man. Okay, so, whoa, what? Did y'all see that? Hello? Okay. Wow. But whatever, man. You had the makings of a varsity athlete with the bump and run. The target was 1239, 1266 stats. That's it, man. The 1272 was like 1457. These are inverse fibs, fib extensions. Okay, so you can have low to high fibs, and you can see the fib extensions regardless, so you don't have to refib. And I got Larley to thank for that. He hooked me up, man, with the inverse fib extensions. Is sweet, man, because you're right. You know, you go low to high, you're gonna get your fib extensions down here. But if you go low to high and you have these certain variables recorded in your settings, you don't have to reply. But okay, man, whatever, dude, we're just gonna leave it like this. 1272 is 1457, 1557, 1699 is 1618, right? Pretty nice, man. What's up, Poon? It's spring, dude, in the Netherlands, man. Yeah, dude, all the trees flowers started to blossom, man. It's coming, dude. Okay. Wow, man. Oh, wait, we didn't look at BNB. What am I doing, dude? Sorry. Ooh, man. No bueno, man. No bueno, man. Still looking for it, man. We're waiting. Come on, BNB. Give us what we want. You almost did. It seems like you just recently almost did give us what we wanted, which was TA being respected for the most part. Look, man, you created yourself a partial rise. You're giving yourself lower lows. Almost looks to me like 3 falling peaks. 3 falling peaks, man. 3 proportionate falling peaks. 1, 2, 3. From the high point to the low point. Measure move. So it's much greater than this, but we're sticking with the ascending broadening wedge measure move, and that's going to put us down here at 22,459. I don't know if we'll get there, but who cares, man? If we get down there, man. Oh, really, dude? Oh, man, we're selling off some. Really, we can't just FOMO in now after, like, 2 months. Can't FOMO now? Yeah, probably not a good idea, because these things happen. Huge impulse. And then you start consolidating. The consolidation is upsloping, and you have 2 trend lines that diverge away from each other. So that's bearish, man. That's inherently bearish. Now, of course, you can just run on up the upside. Great, dude. But just think about people not getting opportunities to accumulate more Binance. So they just wait. They're like, okay, let's wait till we get down to better areas of value. That's no problem, man. And they wait. And it's not like you're bearish if you run down to this area. It's just, it would make sense, man, after you hit such an extreme resistance area, for you to sell off some, to start retracing. Major retraces. It's healthy for the long-term sustainability of this little run you're on. Okay. BNB, man. Sorry, Billy, man. There you go. Who let the XRP dogs out, dude? You have a little Daphne, which is blossomed. It's great. Fragrance is very weak. Got warm, then froze again. Yeah, those are always the worst, man. What you hate are when, like, hard cold snaps. Terrible. Terrible for springtime, man. Logo says Tesla screwed. SEC's asking court to hold Elon Musk in contempt of court.
Is that a joint?
What was it? Did it have something to do with the Model 3 stuff? What was it? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Your daily is closed. Your new daily has begun. Dude, you just got yourself a gravestone. Doji. Inverted hammer. Whatever. I don't know. We'll see, man. See if we can pivot here. I don't know, dude. False breakouts. Okay. There you go, dude. Bitcoin is still somehow, some way outside of the downsloping structure that we broke out of. We broke out of it on the 18th of February, but as you can see, we fell all the way back down, wiped out all those gains, and you're trying to recover just a little bit. Seems as though the upsloping support is saving you for now, but could just look upsloping consolidation after an impulse. Blah. So contradicting variables, right? We talked about contradicting variables make things unclear. It's harder to see, right? You want a lot of coinciding variables, not contrasting variables, where you're hitting support, but you're possibly consolidating bearishly, right? Yep, theta is pumping too because they are on my starting soon screen, right? I mean, I don't know why they're pumping. Would you say it's because of the airdrop soon? Oh boy. Free coins for everybody. Pump the coin, dude. Pump it, dude. I just don't get it, man. I don't understand. Peace. Okay, dude. So, the thing is, like on the 4 hour, you can't even see the wick that's not visible on the 60 minute. You just do it like that. Whatever, dude. Okay. Yeah, so very well could just be what we're forming is a bear pole, bear flag, or a triangle, or a wedge, whatever. Give me some more candles, dude. We're patient, man. We're real patient. Patience pays off, dude. A lot of money can be made if you're patient and you wait. This took us a month. Like a month, dude. Everyone like quit crypto again, remember? We're literally posting videos about Mario, Nintendo coming out with a new Mario game, and like Zelda and like 16 other titles. No one cared, dude. But only people started caring when this impulse started. We ran up 3 times total. Alright, so there you go, man. Okay, we'll see if we can hold above 3,700 area. I mean, that's like the support, man. So if you come down, hold it. Look, man, here's what you're asking for. If you're doing this kind of consolidation, the longer you go and create consolidation, okay, the higher the likelihood the pattern is going to be invalid. That bear flag would be invalid, right? When you start getting to about half the length, right, if this consolidation ends up being about half the length or more of the actual bear pull itself, then like that means like you're getting mathematically to a higher percentage chance of it being not a bear flag, right? And it could just keep on floating up and then run again and sell off and just stay within this channel, right? Yeah, Nikolai, a lot of charts were looking sexy, right? I mean, we just looked at them. Most of them anyway. We are in the 2016 stage. Who knew, man? Close to coming into 2017. People will notice in the upcoming months. We'll see, dude. We'll see. Nobody cared. Billy cared, man. What kind of news do we need to get XRP to $1? I don't think. I think you need the whole crypto market sentiment to shift for XRP to get to $1. Most likely, man. Okay. I think, isn't that what everyone coveted? Was XRP to go to Coinbase? Like, what more do you want, dude? That was it, dude. That was it. It moved you 3 cents. All in. Okay, so we can go back. That's XRP, or that's Bitcoin. Let's go to XRP real quick. Look at it. You know, we looked at. Well, we haven't looked at the. You know, let's look at the Bitcoin pair now. Why not? We looked at the US dollar pair, the euro pair, and now we're looking at the Bitcoin pair. Look at this little bad boy. Channel got plotted. If it loads, it's pretty nice, man. It's pretty freaking nice. dude. I don't like the way it is struggling to load. Now it doesn't. FPS is good, but the load time's nasty. 1 and 2 on top, 1 and 2 on the bottom, and just holding this 25% trend line. Okay. Hey man, 4 hour time scale. Captain Hindsight coming at you. Divergence, lower levels of negative momentum. That's good. Not on the R side, just the MACD. Huge volume spike, ran you up to give yourself what? A lower high than your previous high. Come on, dude. Really? You just became kings, dude. But the downtrend continues, man. Continues. Man, that's no good, man. No good. So you're hitting the 75% trend line just like you had before and failed. Okay, you're just kind of trying to hold up there, 85.19. Just doesn't look like it's working, right? But you know, what could you care about on XRP to BTC? It broke a down sloping channel back in like September, late September, and it had been on a tear. But converged with upsloping consolidation, and we broke out of it, and now we're just selling off, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, that's all that's going on right now. Yes, Taylor Spooner, yes. You cared about the $589, dude. I thought it was 58.9% of one dog. Billy, man, you're lying to me, dude. What's going on? Patience is key, man. Yeah, dude, totally, man. Patience is key. Yes, swing trading, patience. But life's about patience too. IRL, man. Okay, you can learn it on here, get real good at it, and then sometimes in life, man, you're still challenged, right? You're still challenged to be patient. And we have events that occur in our life that tests our patience all the time. So it's how you respond to these trying, troubling times that shows how much patience you have and how much you need to work on yourself. And even if you're really good at it, you can continue to get better, right? So I'm learning patience right now, dude. IRL, not charts, just IRL stuff. Okay. But the charts can teach us a lot about life, right? Patience, coinciding variables, things coming together. All right. So you gotta love it, man. Life is like the charts. Charts are like life. Whatever, man. So look, y'all. I got like we got 206 people watching. Got 113 likes. We get a like spike going. Whatever, you know. Who cares, man? The more people that like this channel, the more people are gonna watch it when the video goes static. And if you want to see me grow it all, man, hey, dude, that's all you gotta do. That's you're doing your part, man. Dude, we've had like 3 streams in a row with over 200 likes at this point. It's crazy, dude. Very crazy. The 2 most powerful features of character are patience and time. I don't believe that's true, man. There's more than just the 2. I think integrity is one of your most important features of character. Okay. Integrity, dude. You thought life was like a box of chocolates, man. Look, it's very, man, totally is, dude. You never know what you're gonna get, man. But you can do things. Look, wait, life's like a box of chocolates. You can buy Whitman Sampler, you can buy the Dollar Tree chocolates, you can buy all kinds of things. So when you prepare in life, you can be able to afford the preparation, the better type of Whitman Sampler or whatever, right? Higher quality chocolates for yourself, man. All right, let's get deeper into this analogy. Whatever, dude. Thanks, John Lart. Love you too, man. Of course they do, man. They just want to delay the Brexit into obscurity until everyone forgets about it, and they say, whatever, man. Screw what the people want, what the people wanted, right? or what half the people wanted, or more than half anyway. So, holy crap, dude. So really, y'all, again, to reiterate, like we said at the beginning of the stream, what we're going to be doing is creating a meme of the month channel in our Discord, and we will declare a winner at the end of the month. And unfortunately, we only have 3 days, so get to making memes on stuff that happened this month so you can be the winner, and so you can have your own alert box variation. Okay, and we'll make it like a common number so people will see it. Okay. Holy crap, man. It's going to be fun, dude. I can't wait to see what y'all come up with. I'm just honored that we have a community where we can actually do this, right? It's large enough now. There you go, Zai, man. Look, it's already starting, man. It's already starting, dude. When is insert coin going to break out? Pretty much, man. Pretty much, dude. That's what I'm talking about. That was Zai. Excellent, dude. Excellent, Zai, man. Bullish butterfly, Litecoin. I don't know, man. I mean, bullish butterfly? Oh my god. Sorry. Give me a sec, man, okay? So, you have a question, man. You have a question. You're saying, no, I don't think so, man. Okay, I don't think you have a bullish butterfly. No, man, your C would be larger than your... yeah, your C would be larger than your A in this situation. I don't think so, man. You need to have a lower high on... oh, this, you're talking about bullish. Okay, you're talking about bearish butterfly. Really? Bearish butterfly. Oh, I think I see what you're trying to say, man, right? You're trying to be like X, A, B, C, D. Dude, that, I don't know, man. I mean, maybe, might be grasping here. Nope. Sorry, man. You for your bearish butterfly, you have to have a 78.6% retrace. So we got a minimum on B. Okay, from X to A, your B has to be 78.6%. That's up here, dude. Not even close, man. Unfortunately, nah. That's way too off, man. Way too off. That's what I mean. I'll just show you, man. All right. Your butterfly gotta look like this. 78% retrace. And then you want to have between a 38% retrace and an 88.6% retrace. So anywhere between 38% to 88.6%. You go all the way down right here, dude. Seriously, it's almost be like that, right? I'm trying to get there. I had it, dude. There we go. Okay, and then D needs to be between your 1272 and your 1618. So it could be between 1272 right here. I can't. 1272 and the 1618. Go all the freaking way up here. There you go. That's your bearish butterfly, and we'll be taking short positions up here between the, again, the 1272 and the 1618. All right. And then from B to C, right, you want to have between a 1618 fib extension and a 261.8% retrace, which is pretty much perfect right here. Okay, these line up perfectly. So there you go, man. That is your bearish butterfly. X, A, B, 70% retrace from X to A, right? You retrace 70% of the way. You sell off between 38% and 88.6%. Okay. from low to high, A to B, you retrace 88% of the way, and you run up 1618 from X to A, your fib extension puts you up there, right? From X to A, from the high point to low point, your fib extension will put you to 1618, or the 1272, or the 1414, whatever, okay? And then from B to C, from the high anchor point to low anchor point, you're looking for between a 1618 and a 2618, 261.8% retrace, right? So that is your bearish butterfly pattern, man, okay? Oh my. Dude, really? Wow, dude. That's great, man. We're about to start this over, okay? I'm about to go back in time. Dude. Oh my god, dude. This is a bearish butterfly, okay? Maybe we'll start the recording now or something. I don't know. Okay. So here's the bearish butterfly, man. All right. The criteria of it. I guess we can type like this. Okay. So X day always going to be, right? Always going to be on X day. X day is the impulse. Doesn't matter what the impulse is here, okay? That's just the first move, okay? But when you retrace with your anchor point high to low, you retrace. You're looking for a 78.6% retrace up here. 78.6% retrace, right? So I'm trying to do it where like even most laymen can get this. Okay. So X to A has to be a 78.6% retrace. Okay. And so then you're going to sell off, and then from A to B, you want to have between a 38.2% retrace to a range of 88.6% retrace. Okay, right here. That's right here. So you go from a low point to a high point, anchor point 1 and 2 for your fibs, and that would put you between a 38% retrace and an 88.6% retrace from A to B. Okay. And then from A to B. All right, yeah. Sorry, man. That's it. Let's see what other ones we're looking for. So when you run up, though, when you start after the retrace, when you pivot and run again for the next impulse, from B to C, you want to have between a I guess we could do it like a 116.8% retrace to a 216.8% retrace. Okay. And then from X to A, okay, again, right? You get what I'm saying, right? I guess you could say this is X to B, okay? Sorry. It's the first time I've ever written these down like this. It's kind of the way they try to teach it or whatever. But, you know, like right here, X to B, right? X to A, you want between a 127.2% retrace to a 161.8% retrace. Sorry, this is off too. Jeez, man. These percentages and decimals are getting me off. Okay, man. Not sexually. Okay, so between a 1272 from the anchor point 1, anchor point 2, high to low, between a 1272 and a 1618. Okay, retrace. That's it, man. All right, that's like the criteria you're looking for. Hold on. Next day. All right, forgive me. Getting more complex in this than I've ever gotten. Okay. So this is just showing you all the different areas, right? How the criteria of the bearish butterfly. Okay, man. So I'm gonna timestamp this. We'll put on the Patreon feed at some point after we clip it. All right. So we enjoyed that little education on the bearish butterfly. If you did enjoy the education on the butterfly, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Why not? We love educating. We love investing in ourselves, getting better every day, man. Every day. Gotta love it, dude. Man. What's up, Beach Life, dude? Hello, MB. Can I break down what we're waiting for, Ernesto, dude? The move happened, dude. Sorry, it wasn't as good as you wanted it to be. But that's the name of the game in a bear market, okay? So. Dang, dude. Really? Okay, then. Okay. Thanks for the feedback. I'll be back tonight. Thanks for the contributions. Thanks for the 2 subs. Till next time, respects, petite, hey.